Hello, my name is Danny Zdorek with PC Miracles, and this is tip 2 of the 12 tips to shopping online safely during the holidays. Make sure the website is secure. You want to look at the top of your browser where the address is, so also where the URL is, and see that there's a small lock icon up top. Also, another option is to see before the address where you've typed it in. For example, Amazon. You should see HTTPS before the address, and that ensures that the data that you're typing in there, passwords and everything, is encrypted and safe. If you don't see that on the top address bar, try reloading the page, or you can try typing in HTTPS and the site that you're going to. As long as you see that lock at that point, then it's safe. If it's not able to load that, I would highly recommend that you proceed to another site to do your shopping. So from everyone here at PC Miracles, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Have a great day.